Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to check activity alerts on SentryPC. So first, go to Activity Alerts and Alerts. Here you can show all alerts, all blocked alerts, non-blocked alerts, show only blocked, for example, application keywords, specific website categories, and yeah, there's so much in here, so we're going to select only blocked applications. You can select the device, so that's just the lists to sort things. When you select, for example, family PC, I can even select one user. And here we have all blocked activity. For example, here we have the username, the device, the type, so blocked application because I only allow the application to show, and the activity solitaire exa. So this user just wants to play games and not work. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.